ang instruction talaga sa amin ay no by
St. Peter's Basilica
Basilica.
sa Rome.
Walang baydahan. Paano ni Benedict? Bawal ang baydahan. Always on the top. Bakit? The great volume of people will really risk the desecration of the sacrament if you gave it by the hand.
Right.
So, they really did it by the tongue. I don't know now, lumuwag na yun nung hindi na si Marini ang master ceremonies.
May nakita ko nagba-viral eh. Parang gusto kumuha by tongue. Parang hindi siya binibigay.
Sa St. Peter's?
Parang
Ayun ang bago.
Vatican yun eh.
That's new because panon Benedict hindi pwede. You really had to take it by the tongue.
Ano masasabi mo sa pare na ayaw by hand, ay by tongue and ayaw, you means worse pa pag nakaluhod?
It is the right of the person to receive the Lord in that way. Kasi if you look at the General Instruction Roman Missal, the first option is really kneeling by the tongue.
By the tongue, right.
The by the hand is really an indult. Indult by special permission lang.
Problem nga, sabi mo, parang kumukuha lang ng pizza, gano'n na yun.
Ay, gano'n nangyari ito. Pero kasi, I think na-necessitate yan noong nung pandemic. You know that the demon is really working. He's really working. Maniwala ka, Satanists, mas naniniwala pa sa real presence kasi sa usual na Katoliko. Diba? May mga priests of Satan, when they converted, then they say, we know where to go to still host. We won't go to a Methodist. We'd go to a Catholic church. Because in our great hatred for what is sacred, we know what is truly sacred.
Amen.
We know what is truly sacred. Kasi ako, mabuti pa ng mga satanista ko, alam eh. Alam eh, di ba? Kami, pag makapila dito, pag ako pipila ng bibilang pizza eh. Di ba? Right?
Ano masasabi mo sa mga extra lay minister? Okay ba talaga sila magbigay?
Basta ang lay minister, basta they should not supplant the role of the ordinary minister. Diba, kung napakaraming pare, all of these priests are ordinary ministers, but epal ka pa. Extra ka nga, extra. When people say extraordinary kasi ang feeling nila above the ordinary kasi extraordinary. Excuse me, the word is extra. If you're not needed, don't come. Yun hindi lang matanggap. I tell them that. You just minister only when you are needed, like the insufficiency of number of ordinary ministers. Ba, nag-isa yung pare, ang daming congregation, laki. O yun, help out. Halimbawa, sa 10 katao,
kaya na ng pare yun.
kada isang pare, epal ka pa. O di ba? Epal ka pa. O, hello? Why are you here?
Ikaw dito, ilang ex-lay minister ang usually tumutulong sa'yo?
Ano yan? Maanin. No, 5.
Ordinary mass yun?
No. Ordinary mas wala. Ang Sunday lang.
Ikaw lahat?
Oh, of course. Sinabihan ka ng bishop, the new bishop, sinabihan ka ng bishop, mapare, I mean, okay naman, may lay minister kayo, pero magtrabaho din naman kayo.
Kasi iba upo na eh.
Sasabi, magtrabaho din naman kayo.